On World Environment Day, I'd like to celebrate the work of Act Now, which is bringing together leaders, thinkers, and doers from all around the world under the theme Peace is Green, Every Act Matters. I love that. Every act matters. With the upcoming COP26 negotiations at the end of this year, 2021 is a critical year for climate action, the beginning of the decade of delivery. And the role of youth around the world is going to be instrumental in addressing climate change, because it's young people who will be holding our governments and corporations to account for the commitments they have made or not made to get to a zero carbon future as fast as possible. And it will be young people who bring much needed imagination and innovation to show what kind of future is possible and to develop the solutions. We know that acting on climate change is not just an economy-wide imperative, but that climate solutions are well placed to be the drivers of economic recovery as we emerge from this terrible COVID-19 pandemic. In particular, the restoration of nature will combat poverty and hunger, improve health and well-being, and create jobs and boost economic opportunities, and so much more. So as we deploy the solutions to our current health crisis, we can simultaneously build resilience to long-term climate impacts, and in so doing, protect nature and preserve the earth. If we're going to be successful, we must all take action together. We must all act now.